Hi, I'm Nick Barnes. Welcome to the workshop. We're working on a set of puppets for Life of Pi. So each part of the animal starts out as a big lump of plastizote and is sculpted by hand.
I mean, you basically take a lump of plastizote and you turn it into something else, and with it you put love and you make a puppet which hopefully can carry a story which has great meaning.
So this is one of the sea turtles. Ollie's just adding some finishing paint touches to that. Through here we have one of the zebra bodies. So Aga is sculpting the front part of the zebra. It's supported by a spine which goes all the way through it. There's a backpack just here which rests on the performer. All around the workshop we've got bits of animal limbs hanging around whilst they're in various states of sculpting and painting. So Suzanne is working on the tiger head mech. So up here we've got Georgie who's painting the orangutans. And we couldn't go without showing you what Caroline's working on. She's sculpting the tiger's head. Of course, the star of the show. Hopefully that gives you a bit of a flavour for what we do, and we hope to see you all at Life of Pi.